What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Third Coast Fishing. Today we're out here in Matagorda, Texas, fishing with my boy Gregory. We fished before. You seen that video, him holding that big old shark. We're out here fishing the pier today. We got some live shrimp, we got some fresh mullet, we got some dead mullet, and we got maybe whatever we catch with some fish bites and stuff like that. We're out here fishing with Gregory today, man. He's one of our loyalist supporters of the channel. Comments on everything, shares damn near everything. You know, he's always fishing, posting, tagging. So we're gonna give him some stuff today. Let's check out. Let's see what we're gonna give him today. What's up? We're gonna give him this shirt.
All right.
What's up?
Appreciate
That's
it.
limited edition, only one made. Got this new hat fresh off the press. These are, you can get these. Just hit me up through the DM or through the Facebook. Hold on. I ain't done yet, man. I gave some of these last time, huh?
Yeah.
These Pier leaders.
Yeah, those were fantastic.
Yeah, get some of them. And this, it's a little too warm for this right now, but
Oh yeah.
there you go. Got that hoodie. So, man, I appreciate you being a good supporter of the channel, man. I really do, dog. You comment on everything. You share stuff, bro. So I appreciate that, dog. I appreciate that.
Check out the back of my truck.
Oh, look at that. See, this is what I'm talking. This is what I'm talking about, guys. I'll just support your channel, man. We'll take you fishing. Check it out. Look at that. Whoa. All right, now let me get to this stuff and get my stuff all hooked up in my buggy. All right, guys, we all ready. Let's roll. Let's roll. You ready, Greg?
Oh yeah.
Woo, 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 woo. We're gonna catch some redfish. We're gonna catch some sharks. We're gonna catch some halibut, some flounders. We're gonna catch some kings. I gotta go through them all just in case. We're gonna catch some perch, some bass, just in case. You never know. I caught a gar last weekend. Yeah. Hopefully we get into some redfish, you know, some trout or something. I got a few little plastic lures to throw. He's got some live shrimp, so we're gonna try to throw that. What you think we're gonna catch today?
We can go catch everything.
Woo!
The whole ocean.
I like them high hopes, baby. I like them high hopes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. And man, look at that solid backpack, bro. I like that. Oh, you just got it?
Yeah, you got it.
Man, that thing's sick.
First time out.
Ooh. Holding all your tackle, bro. It looks better than mine. Mine's an old 10-year-old backpack, monster backpack. Oh, it looks rough, bro. Look at the water. Look at that. Man, I'm so glad we're going to be on the pier. I don't know if you can see that. That looks pretty rough. Oh, dang. Look at that. The water coming over the jetties, bro. Oh, there ain't no fishing on the jetties today. All right, we'll scratch the fishing off the jetties plan. Whew. Man, that look rough, boy. Hey, you can really tell that storm rolling in. Man, it looks good for some reds though, some bull reds. What's the biggest red you ever caught?
42.
42? You son of a, that's bigger than mine. Do you hear that shit, guys? I don't know, on the YouTube channel, he catch bigger PBs than me. Sheesh. Let's change that today. You want to try to change that? Let's try to beat his PB. What's up? You want to? Come on, I know we can do it. I know we can. We got all the equipment. It's just, do we have the right conditions? Huh? Oh, man, I sure hope we get it done today. See, he's very positive, man. I'm gonna have to start coming down here more fishing with this guy. Yeah, they say we're gonna catch something today. You ever fish that channel over there? Yeah.
Yeah, if you go down, there's a couple piers.
Oh, is there some piers that go into the channel?
Yeah.
I caught that mullet just on the other side of the channel down the road a little bit. We're talking about that channel over there, guys. That's the Colorado River, yeah?
That's right.
Yeah, the Colorado River. We're a little far from home, huh? We from Galveston. All right, we're gonna take this walk and get situated. All right, man, let's get all baited up and get some weights on our stuff, get them casted out. It's looking rough, man. Look at that. Oh, Gregory's on them hard heads, boy. Hell yeah. Live action hard head. Ooh. I mean, that's a decent ass hard head, I guess. Ooh, we got something, baby. Sharp nose, I think that's what it is. What's up? Got that shark, baby, third coast style. Hanging with my boy. That's my good luck charm right there. My shark luck charm.
Release
Yeah, go ahead. Boom! What's up? Out here in Matagorda, shark fishing, you know. Caught that on some mullet right here. Look at that, still got that bait. You know, maybe we'll recycle that or throw some fresh bait on or something. All right, sweet. 3 catfish, 1 shark. And the dudes we don't know got a bull red, so that's what we trying for. All right, this guy's on something.
Yeah, it's a red. Yeah, it's a red.
It's a red. Smile.
You're gonna lose. You gotta trace it.
All right, put the net down. Go down with the net. He's not biting the net. You put it in his mouth. Hey, pull the net in. Pull the net. Hey, pull the net. Pull the net. All right, now drop the net. Oh, you got it hooked up on the hook now. All right, should I help him? Should I help him save the day?
¡Che monstruo, lo! Guys, this is... Oh my God!
Huh?
That's a fatty.
Yeah, he's big. He's a fatty.
Good job, my man.
What's your name, bro?
Got it.
Huh?
Danny.
Where you from?
Houston.
Ooh. All right, guys, we're gonna go head on to another spot. Go check it out. We call one shark here, a couple of hard heads, a lot of hard heads. You know, we're not trying to target that. Finish off this day with a bang, you know what I mean? All right, we'll hit you up when we get to the spot. What up, guys? We on the next destination of our journey. We're out here like a little RV park out of Pier. You know, we're gonna see if we can't catch anything. If you see that behind me, that's finna make a lot of noise, man. It's banging, so hopefully we can get done with this little intro before that happens. So we only caught a shark over there, a couple of hard heads. Now we are working on maybe some black drums, some redfish. We're on this cool little pier. Check it out. Still with Greg. So yeah, we're gonna try to see if there's any fish here. We're just right down on the other side of the jetty, so let's see what's up. Sheep's head?
I don't know. It was swimming towards me, that's why I knew I was on.
What's up? Greg hooked up. We don't know what it is yet. He sure don't want to come up. Oh! Catfish king!
I know, right?
It's still a decent sized gaff out there. Dude, that's a big gaff top. You want to butt flip him? Dang. 6-pound gaff top. And back to the banging. Dang. Hell yeah, boy. Something. All right, guys, we got a few catfish here in this spot. We're going to go try another spot underneath the bridge on the way out. And hopefully we catch something, because it's been a slow day, to say the least. Slow day. All right, we are at spot number 3 today. Look at this big old bridge. We're gonna be catching some bridge monsters now. You know, gotta catch something today. Gaff top don't count. Hey, do gaff top count as a fish?
Always.
Only if you haven't caught anything, right? Yeah, if you caught something already, gaff top don't count. But if you haven't caught anything, of course they count. It off. Ah, turned it off. Look, he was hooked up. Catfish. I was hooked up. Got me caught in the rocks. I don't know what it was, but from all the evidence, I would say it was a catfish too.
Catfish king.
Catfish. Ooh, shit shark king. Easy release. Easy release. Just chunk it as hard as you can. All right, well, I think I got one more weight, so let's get it loaded up again. Got one? He's got one. He's on one. Can we double up? I'm getting a bite right now. Doubled up, baby, doubled up. Got them catfish, what's up? Double up. 11 for the day. What's up? Get that one back in there. He's getting his off. Look at that. He looks so sad. Yeah, not what we want to catch. Not what we want to catch today, but whatever. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us the thumbs up. Me and Gregory, we're done today. We done caught all the fish in the ocean, so I guess we'll have to see you next time. Peace.